Hi viewers, it's me Anila, and today I'm here to provide you tips for writing an impressive CV for your study abroad process. In your CV, start with the basic. Include your personal information such as your full name, contact details, date of birth, passport number, passport issuance date and expiry date, cell number, email address, and permanent address. This ensures that universities can easily reach out to you for further correspondence. Next, highlight your educational background and provide the complete detail regarding your academic qualification, passing year, your score in percentage or CGPA, also the course name in which you have already studied, and any notable achievements. Moving on to work experience, emphasize any internship, voluntary work, or any part time job that you have done because if there is any gap of more than 3 months, you have to cover it up. So, for that purpose, you have to add the information relating to that. Additionally, showcase your skills, interests such as language proficiency, technical abilities, or any extracurricular activities you are engaged in. If you have the certificates, that's better. Lastly, consider including references or stating that they are available upon your request because this is going to add value and credibility to your CV. By following these tips for your CV, you will be able to impress admission committee and increase your chances of securing admission to your desired study program abroad. Thank you so much for joining me, and that was all for today's video. Till the next video, take care. Bye bye.